So today is a potentially regrettable day. I bought another truck. So I bought this 2000 F-150. It is in fact a, hold on here. It is a factory manual 4x4 V8, the 4.6. I paid $3,500 for this, and mechanically it's really good. It's only got 175,000 kilometers. Interior's nice. I think the seats got swapped out. Nice Mustang going by. It's got some crap tint on it. AC is deleted, but I could put it back. Only problem is it's a little rough. The dirt road debris kind of hides it, but the rockers are not the best. And the bed, I'm just taking everything out of Brangus. The bed is a little not too happy. I bought this, and then no less than like a few days later I see an ad, and I say, hey, that's my truck, why is there an ad for that? And I realize they're old pictures of my truck. So not the previous owner, but the owner before, he wants to buy his truck back. And that truck turned out to be not as bad as I thought. Like the rockers and the bed are rough, but frame is really solid, and it's nice to have a more modern truck. I hate saying it, but it's the truth. So yeah, I'll clean this up a little bit. It's very 90s, early 2000s Ford, which I really don't like the best, but I mean, cruise control, fog lights, power locks, which I have to fix. Probably throw a radio in here, because a Bluetooth radio look out of place in Brangus, but not in this. So only thing on this one, gotta fix parking brake, gotta fix a few things. But it's a solid unit, far more solid than I initially expected. So I don't know if it's like divine timing or what, but I talked to him, and the price seems reasonable for what an OBS in that condition would be. Like okay, hold on. I originally planned to take the drivetrain out of this, the 4.6, or at least the transmission, the 4x4 mod transmission. Could put a 5.0 or a V8 or whatever, V10 into Brangus, because I don't like the 351. It's just out of my era. So anyways, yeah, I'm just cleaning everything out of them. But yeah, I put a ton of work into this truck, even though it doesn't look like it. It is mechanically, well, it's rust free, like impossible. Rust free, well, rust free. They're structurally rust free. So all this stuff in the back, I never got to put on brake pads. It doesn't quite need them yet. Oil filter, and then some various other pieces. New taillights, new headlights. Squeaky doors. So yeah, I'm gonna have to potentially part ways with Brangus. So unfortunate as it is, I think it's the right move. Maybe I'll regret this. Like, I'm gonna look at the camera and say, I might regret this. Daddy's not he's not as vehicularly insane as myself to hold memories of vehicles, but it's been a good few, I think 2 years had this truck. It's the first like real truck. Yeah, anyways, there's a lot to fix on this thing and motorize, and it will always kind of be a hot rod. So anyways, I'm gonna drive it again, see, go for one last drive. He's coming in a few hours to look at it from out of town. So Anyways, I'm gonna secure the things in the bed and take for a drive. All right, let's see if I can't get this camera set up in a way it's not gonna fall off. It's gonna be a short drive. That's gonna fall off if I keep it. that's all, folks. Let's see how the sale goes. Bye-bye.